Welcome to the best pick. The best Oxo Tot water bottle and straw cup cleaning set is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for parents aiming to keep their little ones' sippy cups, water bottles, and straw cups impeccably clean and hygienic, ensuring that every sip your child takes is free from lingering residue and potential bacteria, which is crucial for their health and your peace of mind. Number 5. Munchkin Details Bottle and Cup Cleaning Brush Set. Introducing the Munchkin Details Cleaning Brush Set. This comprehensive set is designed to tackle all your bottle and cup cleaning needs with ease. It includes 4 specialized brushes, one for straws, one for spouts, one for lids and threads, and a detail brush. Each is crafted to reach every nook and cranny. All 4 brushes are held together on a detachable clip with a keyring. This keeps them organized and readily accessible whenever you need them. The ergonomic handles feature a finger recess, ensuring a comfortable and secure grip during use. Cleaning becomes less of a chore and more efficient. A handy pick is included on the ring, perfect for easily removing sealing rings. This thoughtful addition ensures a thorough clean every time. This set provides the ultimate solution for keeping your baby's bottles and cups impeccably clean. It's the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. What we like? This set offers a variety of brushes for every part of the bottle and cup. If you need to tackle complex cleaning tasks with different components, this is a great choice. It's ideal for parents who want a comprehensive solution for all their baby's feeding accessories. What people say. The set includes a variety of brushes for different parts of the bottle and straw, making cleaning thorough and efficient. The brushes are designed to reach all nooks and crannies, ensuring no residue is left behind. Durable construction means the brushes hold up well to repeated use and cleaning. Number 4. Oxo Tot Water Bottle and Straw Cup Cleaning Set. Introducing the Oxo Tot Water Bottle and Straw Cup Cleaning Set. This comprehensive set provides all the tools you need to keep your bottles and cups perfectly clean. The long bottle brush is designed to easily reach the bottom of bottles, even those with narrow necks. Its specially designed bristles also help minimize water spray for a cleaner experience. A dedicated straw brush ensures every part of the straw is thoroughly cleaned. Additionally, a detail brush reaches into small crevices and tight spaces on lids. The durable bristles are built for tough scrubbing while remaining non-scratched to protect your baby's bottles. The soft, non-slip handles offer a secure grip, even when wet. Keep your cleaning tools organized and germ-free with the compact brush caddy. It stores the brushes in 2 convenient positions, including one that keeps them elevated and away from germs. The included stand not only keeps your countertops dry but also features a pour spout for easy water disposal. It conveniently comes apart for thorough cleaning. What we like? This option is designed to make cleaning less messy and more hygienic. If you dislike water splashing everywhere while cleaning bottles, or if counter space is limited, this set is perfect for you. Its stand keeps the brush away from germs and your counter dry. What people say. The brushes are perfectly sized for cleaning the straw and the mouthpiece. It's a great set for keeping the straw and spout clean and free of mold. The set includes a variety of brushes that fit different parts of the bottle and straw. Number 3. 5-pack Bottle Cleaning Brush Set. Introducing our comprehensive 5-pack bottle cleaning brush set. It includes a long-handled brush and multiple straw brushes for all your cleaning needs. These brushes are designed for your convenience. They feature hanging holes on handles for easy storage and to keep them dry. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free polypropylene, these brushes ensure safety and health. The soft brush heads are scratch-safe and easy to clean. Experience a secure and comfortable grip with the ergonomic, non-slip rubber handles. They allow for powerful and effective cleaning. Their round head design reaches every corner, making them perfect for cleaning various items like sports bottles, coffee mugs, and baby bottles. Our mission is to simplify your housework and contribute to a cleaner world. We are here to help if you encounter any issues with our product. What we like? Get more cleaning power with this multi-pack, especially for those hard-to-reach places. If you frequently use tall bottles, sports bottles, or have multiple straws to clean, this set provides excellent value and reach. It's perfect for anyone who needs versatile cleaning tools for various containers. What people say. The brushes are thin enough to get into the straw and the spout. The set includes a variety of brushes for different parts of the bottle and straw, making cleaning thorough and efficient. The design of the brushes allows for easy maneuvering inside the bottle and straw components, ensuring all nooks and crannies are cleaned. Number 2. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. Introducing the Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. Its powerful oscillating head scrubs 60 times per second, tackling tough grime with ease. Save time and energy with this tool. It scrubs up to 2 times faster than manual methods, reducing strain and giving you back your day. Don't worry about splashes or wet environments. Its robust water resistance ensures reliable performance in any cleaning situation. This essential home cleaning tool is perfect for tight spaces. Use it on faucets, tile, grout, appliances, and more in your kitchen and bathroom. Take your cleaning beyond the house. It's great for patio furniture, car parts, and even your golf gear. Maintain the look of your footwear. This scrubber polishes and deep cleans sneakers and boots, helping them last longer. What we like? For the ultimate in cleaning efficiency, consider this powered scrubber. If you want to save significant time and energy on tough cleaning jobs, this is your best bet. It's ideal for those who want a deep clean with minimal manual effort, tackling grime on bottles, grout, and more. What people say. The brushes are perfectly sized for the straw and the mouthpiece. It cleans the inside of the straw and the mouthpiece very well. Number 1. EZPZ Bottle Brush, Gray. Meet the ultimate cleaning companion, designed with a long, sturdy handle for effortless cleaning of bottles, cups, and cookware. Its flexible top easily reaches into tight spaces. Experience a powerful clean without the worry of scratches. Its soft silicone bristles are tough on messes but gentle on all your surfaces. Keep your countertop tidy and your brush dry. The innovative suction base allows it to stand upright, promoting quick drying. Crafted from premium, food-grade silicone, this tool is free from harmful chemicals like BPA, BPS, PVC, latex, and phthalates, ensuring safety for your family. Enjoy a consistently fresh clean. Its non-porous surface naturally resists odors and bacterial growth, making it a durable and long-lasting addition to your kitchen. What we like? This brush prioritizes hygiene and convenience with its unique material and design. If you're concerned about lingering odors or bacteria on your cleaning tools, or if you want a brush that stays put and dries efficiently, this is the one. Its flexibility makes it great for getting into tricky spots in cups and bottles. What people say. The brush set is designed to clean all parts of the straw cup, including the hard-to-reach areas. The set includes multiple brushes of different sizes, making it versatile for various cup and bottle components. The bristles are durable and effective at removing residue without scratching the surfaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.